Today, many owners part with their trucks quickly, often due to reliability issues, underwhelming performance, outdated technology, or stronger competition. In this video, we'll highlight 6 pickup trucks that owners frequently resell, sometimes within the first year of ownership. Number 6. Nissan Titan. Because of its incapacity to compete in the full-size pickup truck market, Nissan ended manufacture of the Titan last summer, and it is presently being phased out. Some purchasers were drawn to the Titan because of its basic look, good power, and dependable V8 engine, even if it hasn't had many major upgrades in recent years. But performance in the actual world frequently fell short of expectations. Although consumers were prepared to put up with concessions like reduced towing capacity and fuel economy, the Titan fell short of its more recent competitors in a number of crucial categories, including as technology, performance, refinement, and interior quality. Due to these drawbacks and the Titan's deteriorating design, many owners have sold their vehicles soon. The Titan's small dealer network, which is less than that of rivals like Ford, GM, and Ram, is another element behind its high turnover rate. In order to reduce their financial losses, many Titan owners sell their cars early due to the Titan's higher depreciation rates. Together, these elements account for the Titan's waning market share. Number 5. Toyota Tundra. After almost 15 years, the Toyota Tundra had a substantial facelift that brought about a number of changes. With greater power, improved riding comfort, and expanded towing capacity, a long-standing shortcoming in comparison to American competitors, the new model provides a more opulent and sophisticated experience. But there have been some unforeseen difficulties with the new Tundra. Reliability problems have emerged for the first time, which is uncommon for a car with Toyota's stellar reliability record. Compared to the preceding V8, the new turbocharged V6 engine has proven to be less robust, with design errors frequently resulting in engine breakdowns. As a result, Toyota decided to recall more than 100,000 Lexus LX and Tundra vehicles that use this engine. Some owners have decided to sell their cars as a result of these problems, which have increased worries about the expenses of long-term ownership, especially when warranties expire. Along with issues with engine dependability, the Tundra Hybrid has also drawn criticism. Although the hybrid system's power and torque numbers are remarkable, the gains to fuel efficiency have not been as significant as expected. Although many hybrid owners anticipated notable miles-per-gallon gains, they discovered that the difference was negligible when compared to gas-only vehicles. Some consumers find the Tundra Hybrid less desirable since other models, like as the Ford F-150 Hybrid, have higher fuel economy. These problems have made some owners unhappy and raised questions about the new Tundra's overall worth in the cutthroat full-size truck market. Number 4. Honda Ridgeline. A distinctive addition to the mid-size pickup truck market is the Honda Ridgeline. Its unibody design offers better handling and ride quality than its rivals, which makes it ideal for light-duty use in urban settings. Additionally, the inside is more luxurious and comfortable, making it feel more like an SUV. Nevertheless, the Ridgeline's unique design has drawbacks that cause many owners to sell it quickly, sometimes within a year. Compared to conventional body-on-frame trucks, the unibody structure results in a reduced towing capacity and restricted off-road performance. These elements frequently cause customer expectations to be out of line, especially for those looking for a vehicle that can do rigorous off-road jobs or a tough workhorse. Although the Ridgeline excels in areas like comfort and daily utility, many owners discover that it falls short of their demands for demanding labor or daring off-road excursions. Its very high turnover rate can be attributed to this misalignment between buyer expectations and design purpose. Number 3. Jeep Gladiator. Many owners of the Jeep Gladiator pickup truck sell their vehicles quickly, frequently inside the first year of ownership, despite its attractive appearance and outstanding off-road skills, which are likely the greatest in their class. Its flaws in other areas have left owners unhappy. Performance on the road is a significant disadvantage. Even by pickup truck standards, the ride quality is rough and unpolished, and the steering is ambiguous. The car also has poor sound insulation, which reduces its suitability for everyday commuting. Another area of issue is utility. Even though the Gladiator has a class-leading towing capacity in some configurations, these numbers are only applicable to particular models. The Gladiator's bed size is less than that of the majority of its competitors on the market, and its payload capacity is another drawback, due to its worse driving characteristics and fuel economy compared to its turbocharged 4-cylinder competitors. The Gladiator's V6 engine further reduces its attractiveness. For some owners, low MPG numbers are just one more issue. Reliability difficulties exacerbate these problems. Soon after purchase, many owners encounter issues including infotainment system failures, technological hiccups, and other little but annoying flaws. The high turnover rate among Gladiator owners is a result of these characteristics taken together. Number 2. Ford Ranger. Although the Ford Ranger is still a popular mid-size truck, more and more owners are selling it quickly after buying it. The new generation did not deliver the expected benefits despite a recent redesign, mostly due to the fact that it still uses the same T6 architecture as its predecessor. One frequent problem is the cabin area, which doesn't alter, making the Ranger feel smaller than its more recent competitors. Furthermore, the interior build quality has come under fire since several parts are poorly assembled and the materials don't seem high-end, which causes squeaks and rattles even at very low miles. The Ranger's chassis and suspension system haven't received much progress, despite its attractive look. The truck's rough, bouncy ride and inaccurate steering have been common complaints about the on-road ride quality, which makes driving less enjoyable. External build quality faults include problems with the rear window sealing. Water leaks into the cabin have been seen in a number of accounts. Another issue has been reliability. Some owners have found the new V6 engine to be troublesome. Glitches, sporadic screen freezes, and other technological problems have also made the infotainment system frustrating. These elements, which include worries about interior room, dependability, and ride quality, have led to many Ranger owners selling their cars quickly after purchasing them. Number 1. Chevrolet Silverado. Popular trucks like the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 are renowned for their powerful performance, off-road capability, and variety of engine choices. But because the vehicle isn't up to par in some areas, a significant portion of owners decide to sell it shortly. The interior design is one of the main problems. Even after a few years of inside upgrades, Chevrolet's Silverado still falls short of its rivals in terms of quality. The vehicle has several amazing technological features, but the build quality and materials are lacking. Because of this lack of sophistication, some consumers believe the Silverado's pricing is excessive. The Silverado also has trouble with ride quality. In terms of comfort, handling, and general ride quality, many owners say it lags below the Ford F-150 and Toyota Tundra, even if it may not have been anticipated to equal the finesse of the Ram 1500. Some owners have also expressed worries about reliability, citing minor mechanical and build quality flaws, which has led them to move to better-built competitors. Another source of controversy is the Silverado's dependence on naturally aspirated V8 engines. Despite their dependability and toughness, these engines are less fuel-efficient and lack the low-end torque offered by more recent turbocharged V6 engines. Buyer discontent has also been exacerbated by lower-than-expected MPG ratings. When taken as a whole, these elements help to explain why some Silverado 1500 owners decide to sell their vehicles before their time. Please share your thoughts in the comments section and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more.